using 3 steps how we can solve any 7 marks question from matrix chapter, no matter Cramer's rule, inverse method, Gauss-Jordan method. So if you are skipping this video, then you are missing the chance to get good marks in maths 1. Because చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ అయితే ఎగ్జామ్ టైంలో టైం వేస్ట్ చేస్తారు, లైక్ searching for the notes, important questions and methods to solve it. Okay, so let's see. In basic rules, we will be having 2 plus 2. Okay, we will be getting 2 very short questions from this. So first you have to start, in the day 1 you have to start with the basic definition. Okay, basic definition of the matrix, like what is symmetric matrix, what is skew-symmetric matrix, what is matrix. Okay, and with their formulas and types of matrix. Okay, and also with that you have to know how to do sum of any, how to perform multiplication of matrix. Okay, and with that you have to also solve this type of questions like a square, or else what is it the given matrix is a symmetric matrix or not, or else the given matrix is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, and transpose of a matrix, like how to transpose of a matrix, what is the formula of like skew symmetrics, symmetrics. Okay, for example, this is the formula, you can make a note of it. Okay, now here in this you will be getting a plus b minus x, or else a plus b, or a plus 2b equals to. Okay, this type of questions you will be going to get in 2 marks. Okay, so for that you have to know the basic definition, and you also have to know types of matrix like upper triangular matrix, scalar matrix, unit matrix, what is the rectangular matrix, what is row matrix. Okay, this type of matrix you have to cover. Next, sum of matrix, how to perform the addition between the 2 matrices, multiplication, how to perform the multiplication between 2 matrices, and here you also have to make sure you are practicing this row and column operation as well, because if you are completing this method, then you can easily go for SQR and LAQ. Okay, next, how to do a square or a cube, like that, and symmetric, skew symmetric transpose. This type of question mainly you will be going to get for 2 marks. Okay, now let's go for SAQ. If you want to attempt the question from this chapter, so you have to know how to find the determinant of any matrix. Okay, how to find the rank of any matrix, like how to perform the row operations, like interchanging row elementary operation. Okay, and we also have to know how to perform the multiplication. Okay, like row and column operations between the 2 matrices, or else you will be having any kind of questions like this, or else any kind of questions you will be going to get this type of questions. Okay, and when it comes to LAQ, we will be having 2 LAQs from this. Okay, and don't worry about the LAQs, I have been in short already uploaded, like with by using 3 steps how we can solve any 7 marks question from matrix chapter, no matter Cramer's rule, inverse method, Gauss-Jordan method. So make sure go and watch that shorts, and make sure to save that as well. Okay, so here 7 plus 7 marks is there, how you can get. So for 1 7 marks question manaku Cramer's rule, okay, Cramer's rule ledante inverse method, or else Gauss-Jordan method aduguతారు. Okay, so for the 1 7 marks question we will be getting, and it is so easy to get. Next, in the next 7 marks question, if you want to get this 7 marks, okay, you have to go to your textbook, okay, from page number 89 and exercise 3D. Okay, you have to practice from page number 89 and exercise 3D. Okay, from that definitely you will be going to get this 7 mark question. And if you want to solve this 7 marks question, then you have to know how to perform the multiplication between the 2 matrices. Okay, they will be giving you any kind of alphabetical matrix A, B, C, like that. That type of matrix, you are going to get